In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. This is whoever they check worldwide. You can't find any miracles in Christianity since 2 years. You can check worldwide. You can't find any Hinduism have miracles like Buddhism or Jainism or Jewishism. They don't have any miracles since 2 years. They say we have always miracles, they say. So now you can understand this. If Hindu go temple, he said, oh, God accept my, dua, prayer. He always give to me whatever I ask. But now, million people die in India, 4 million more than that. How come God not give to you life? Why you throw body in the river side? Why God not show you any sign for Hindu since 2 years? This is totally wrong. This is God accept my dua, prayer. Same thing, Sikhism. They say if you go Guru Nanak place, he accept my dua. How many, Sikhism people die in Punjab? They don't understand all these points because they have evil mind. Hindu and Christians and Jewish and Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism, they have evil minds. Allah, Prophet says, every single person have evil on his head. That's why they don't understand. How come all this is our except church? If you go church, he accept my dua, my prayer. You can show me any miracles since 2 years. Now is August. Last year and this year, already 20 months. Can you show me any miracle? But in Islam, you can go, I told always in my videos, recite 7 times. Aratallazi yukazubu biddin. Allah save you. Recite, Ayatul Kursi. Allahu la ilaha illallah. God save you. Even if you go in the graveyards, wali, saints, many Muslims, they don't believe saints, they have remedy like, they have healing like, they take care of you. If you go over there, you stay over there 4 or 5 days or 40 days, whatever you have disease, they ask Almighty God and they cure that. Now you can understand this point first. Why Islam strongly believe we have. Because if you go Arafat in pilgrim Hajj time, everybody cry. Because we are sinners. And Prophet ﷺ say, every Adam family sinners. That's why we want to go over there in Arafat and say, oh God, save us. We don't want, sins. Can you remove that? Can you delete that? We ask. Lot of people cry over there. Even if you go in Makkah, Bakka, old name, the place in Masjid-e-Haram they call, in Hajj time, pilgrims, and Umrah time, pilgrims. Ordinary days also, pilgrims go over there and they cry over there. This is the reality. In Islam, direct man, he know he is a, sinner. He feels guilty. That's why he cry over there. Sometimes if you check that, maybe he heart stop like that. They cry over there. And now you can understand this point. One lady, she went Middle East and she listened Azan, American lady or London lady, and she cried. This is the reality. Even in flowers in Russia, Azan going on, and birds like, they blossom like, they open all wings like in flowers. This is the reality. And one more, Indonesian, one guy, he came in America, he's a singer, and he said, I want to call the people, Azan they call, proclaim, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allah is a great, because they not translate that for American people. and he says, Ashhadu la ilaha illallah, Ashhadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah. Allah only God. Muhammad is the last messenger. He said, and come and get the benefit. He called that. And every non-believers over there, they don't know what is azan mean. They cry. Go and check that. 2 million people watch that. Why I want to be spread like these videos? Because my videos, he stopped. Jewish guy or maybe YouTube guy or someone, they stop. Because one guy also, he told me, Nigerian guy, they hack his videos. I make sure so many people, Muslim people videos, they delete. That's why, Allahu Akbar.